So you want to know a little bit more about these QM rules that came out in late 2020 that go into effect in 2021. Hi there, this is Jerod Moyer with Bankers Compliance Consulting. One of the things I'd like to share with you today is maybe something you haven't heard about yet, and that's that with this new seasoned qualified mortgage category, and then the new general QM that replaces the current version of that, one of the things that they baked into the rule was a requirement that with those two statuses, the seasoned QM and the general QM, that you have board-approved written policies and procedures for how your organization is going to tackle and apply the underwriting and general overall ability to repay that goes with those two designated QM statuses. Now, that's just one of the many elements of these new rules that we'll be tackling in our upcoming training, the resources that we plan to put out on our website. If you're looking for somebody to partner with you and help you out with the implementation process, meeting the challenges of these new rule requirements and revisions, hey, give us a call, contact us, check out our website. We've got lots of things out there to help you out. We'd love to be that trusted partner.